Hey guys, it's Ray, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime dough. It's like slimy-ish, and it's like kind of like dough, but I'm not sure how you call it, what you would call this. Anyway, I just got to making it. Like, would you like, it's like dough, but like when you, like, it's dough and you can like shape it and stuff, but like when you start messing with it, it turns like kind of like into slime. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make this. This is really messy. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make this slime dough. Doughy slime, whatever you want to call this. Anyway. And what you will do is, I'm going to use the same spoon I used last time, because I just got through making that actually. Anyway, you're going to take 1 tablespoon, spoonful I mean, 2, and then dishwashing liquid, 1, 2, and then I'm just gonna wipe that off. Anyway, oops. And then you're just going to mix it. And then you're just going to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. Anyway, sorry, I thought I would stop the video. Anyway, I'm going to have to add a little bit more detergent because I put like I had a little bit left after that last video that I messed up in. But anyway. And then, that's my aunt you hear in the background trying to get my sister a bath. Anyway. And you just keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. And then it starts to turn into this. And then my mom is probably going to kill me for mixing up this bit so much. Anyway. Anyway. And it turns into this substance looking stuff. But if you keep messing with it and squishing it up and stuff, it will turn into that doughy stuff that I just had. It kind of feels like Play-Doh, kind of, actually, at first. And it feels like it's not going to work, but until, like, you actually get it, and then it actually works, and you're like, yay! Because, like, I've done this so many times and failed at this, but then I'm trying to make slime and dough, but this is what I came up with for finally I made, like, some kind of substance with it. Anyway. But if you want it a little bit slimier and, like, wettish slimier, like, you can add a little bit more dish detergent or whatever you want. Most likely it's soap because, I don't know, that's what they said. If you want it more slimy, or you add a little bit more of it, but I don't know. I'm not going to try it because I don't want it too much slimy or so. But it worked. See, if you sit there and play with it, like, it starts to kind of form, but like if you stop playing with it for just a second, it like starts to slimy. I'm not sure why. But that's how you make, whoops. That's how you make this slimy, doughy substance. I'm just going to add the other one to it. Of slime dough. Anyway, yeah. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya!